Hi everyone, take a look at this video. This was shot in Waterford, Wisconsin near Milwaukee yesterday with strong winds developing ahead of a storm complex as people raced to deflate some hot air balloons while one got away. Thankfully nobody was in that basket, but it started flying high in the sky. Then it turned into a sail as it's still connected to a parked SUV. As it turned into a sail, that SUV had no choice but to go along with it. That's quite a bit of force in that balloon, carried by 50 to 60 mile-per-hour wind gusts. You can kind of see in the clouds, that's the shelf cloud, the outer layer of the storm, and there goes the SUV. Now that storm threat for today has now shifted over the Ohio River Valley from Milwaukee down through, from Milwaukee yesterday, and now down through Illinois, eastern Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and over to Pennsylvania and sections of upstate New York. Again, high winds, heavy rainfall, all a possibility for today in those sections. And also over into Kansas as some other thunderstorms may develop off a little wave moving through. Meanwhile, flash flooding potential here in southwestern California. You wouldn't think that, but they're dealing with some moisture finally due to the decaying Hurricane Dolores that's going to be tracking along the coast there. So heavy rain potential in California, pushing inland towards Arizona and Nevada. And meanwhile, heavy rain also in the Ohio River Valley due to that frontal boundary still out over that region. That's the same front that brought in those strong winds during that hot air balloon. Also heat advisories here in the southeastern sections of the country and also in the Pacific Northwest for today. It's going to be rather hot and steamy in those areas. Meanwhile, the storm threat shifts south then on Monday into northern Kentucky.